Everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kute, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, GMT College, Sinnar, Nasik. Now, last lecture we will discuss sample handling technique and FTIR spectroscopy. Now, in this lecture we will discuss theory of Raman scattering. Photon can interact with molecule of matter in number of waves. When they strike a solid or collision of molecule, most of them are scatter essentially, that is Rayleigh scattering, but a few is, that is 1 in 10 raised to 6, undergoes inelastic scattering. These inelastically scattering photons have frequencies lower and higher than the incident frequency. This phenomenon predicted in 1923 by the observer Sir C. V. Raman in 1928. In reference as a Raman scattering, the lies on the low and high frequency side of Rayleigh line are called as Stokes and anti-Stokes line respectively. The scattered photon have frequency shift 10 to 4000, characteristics of vibrational or rotational energies of the molecule. These Wick's line or modified frequency are generally referred as the Raman spectrum, and the frequency shift from existing line as Raman shifts. First will be the classical theory. An insight into the phenomena of Raman scattering is possible on the basis of classical consideration. When a molecule placed in elastic field, polarization of medium takes place as negatively charged electron cloud to be being attracted toward the positive pole, and positively charged nuclei begin attract toward the negative pole. The polarization P so induce the proportional to the applied electric field E, that is P is equal to alpha E. The constant of proportionality alpha is polarability of the molecule. In general, it is the tensor with the 9 component. When radiation of frequency V0 is allowed to fall, the molecule on each molecule experience varying electric field E is equal to E0 cos 2 pi V0 into T. For simplicity, let us consider the vibrational motion of molecule Q be the normal coordinate associated with the particular mode of vibrational frequency Vm of the molecule. In harmonic approximation, Q can be written as Q is equal to Q0 cos 2 pi Vm into T. The polarability alpha can be expressed as a Taylor series in the normal coordinate Q as alpha is equal to alpha 0 plus del alpha upon d Q into suffix 0 into Q, neglecting higher coordinate term, substituting in above equation, P is equal to alpha 0 into d alpha delta alpha upon delta theta 0 Q0 into cos 2 pi Vm into T bracket complete into E0 cos 2 pi V0 into T, that is equal to alpha 0 E0 cos 2 pi V0 into T plus del alpha upon del d theta 0 Q0 into E0 cos 2 pi V0 T into cos 2 pi Vm into T. Using the trigonometric relation, 2 cos theta into cos phi is equal to cos bracket theta plus phi plus cos bracket theta minus phi. Above the equation we can write P is equal to alpha 0 into E0 cos 2 pi V0 T plus half del alpha upon del Q suffix 0 into Q0 into E0 bracket cos 2 pi bracket V0 plus Vm into T plus cos 2 pi bracket V0 minus Vm into T. The polarization thus induced contain 3 distinct frequency component. First, V is equal to V0 Rayleigh line. Second, V is equal to V0 minus Vm Raman stroke line. Third, V is equal to V0 plus Vm, Raman anti-stroke line. This diagram indicates vibrational of polarizability alpha with the displacement coordinate x during the normal mode of carbon dioxide molecule. It may be denoted del alpha upon del Q suffix 0 is 0. No Raman line will be observed. Thus we get the important rule that the molecule vibrational will be the Raman active only causes changes in component of polarizability. A changes in polarizability means the changes either magnitude or in direction. This is insulated for the normal mode of linear triatomic molecule carbon dioxide in figure. The polarizability is plotted with respect to displacement coordinate x. For V1 and V3 mode, x is the measure of extension or compression of the band. For V2 mode, x measure for displacement of the band angle from the equilibrium value. For a small displacement from the equilibrium position, the curve is almost flat in both V2 and V3 mode, leading to zero value for del alpha upon del x. Hence the Raman inactive. However, V1 is Raman active since the small displacement changes with polarizability. Through the classical theory correctly described for frequency V0 plus minus Vm of the Raman line, it fails to give the correct intensity. Only a quantum mechanical theory would be able to predict the intensities. Second will be the quantum theory. This diagram indicates the energy level diagram showing relays and Raman line. Mu is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 are the vibrational level of the ground electronic state. In the quantum picture, radiation has both particle and wave nature. In explaining Raman scattering, incident radiation of frequency V0 is considered as the stream of particle undergoing collision with molecule. If the collision is perfectly elastic, there will not be any exchange of energy between photon and molecule. However, there will be the exchange of energy between two. If the collision is inelastic, the molecule can gain or lose energy equal to the energy difference delta E between any two allowed state. If the molecule gain energy, scatter photon with the frequency V0 minus Vm, where Vm is equal to delta E upon H Stokes line. On the other hand, if it lost energy, scatter photon will have frequency V0 plus Vm anti-Stokes line. The different process gives the rise relay Stokes and anti-Stokes line insulated in figures. When system interact with radiation of frequency V0, it may be make upward transition virtual state of the system. Virtual state is not one of the stationary state of the molecule. It corresponds to combined state molecule of the radiation. Such state will not be there when only one of them alone is there. Most of the molecule of system return the origin state from the virtual state, giving the relay scattering. However, a very small fraction return to state higher to lower energy, giving rise to Stokes or anti-Stokes line respectively. If the virtual state of the system coincide with the real state of the system, it will be the lead to resonance Raman effect. It may be pointed out of the incident photon and correction of the scatter photon simultaneously. The intensity of the spectral line depends on the number of factors. The most important being the initial population of the state, which transition organ state. The anti-Stokes line organized from mu0 is equal to 0 and anti-Stokes V is equal to 1 gives Raman shift Vm based on the Boltzmann distribution for the population in state. The intensity ratio of Stokes to anti-Stokes is given by Is upon I A into S is equal to e raised to h upon mu m upon kT, where K is the Boltzmann constant and T is the temperature in Kelvin. A more religious theory taking after factor into the account is given I S upon I A into S is equal to V0 minus Vm raised to 4 upon V0 plus Vm raised to 4 e raised to h upon Vm h into Vm upon kT. Anti-Stokes lines have much less intensity than the Stokes line as evidence from the above equation, that is this equation. Now this will be the theory of Raman scattering. Thank you so much.